Hey guys, I'm Joe, one of the developers for Planet Theta. I'll be giving you a quick tour of our app in VR. Right now we're in our room, our launch pad for our VR dating journey. For now, let's go travel to the bar. Hey, so we're here in Erins Bar. This is one of our many public destinations that you can visit in Planet Theta. Right here you can meet people and have a good time all around. I'm here with my friend and another developer, Adam.
Yeah, so what you're hearing right now is actually the in-application audio. So this is how you'll be able to talk to people and meet them. And if you're too far away, it'll get quieter until eventually it cuts out. That way you can kind of have natural conversations where you walk up and meet people in the public areas like this.
Yeah, it's actually really awesome. It's one of the things I like a lot about the app is being able to talk to people in person, kind of like you would in real life. And another thing that's really important to us is expressing yourself, and we've managed to do that through Ready Player Me and your avatar. As you can see, all of these avatars are created by us through our very own Planet Theta website.
Whatever you make pops right into the app when you log in for the first time.
We took the time to make sure that your avatar will follow all of your motions that you make in VR. So you can do things like gesture, or you could dance around if you like.
And you know, if you don't have VR, you can also join the fun with our desktop version.
Now, if you meet someone that you fancy in person, you can send them a like just by clicking on them, or by selecting them with your motion controller. Once you send a like, if they like you back, you'll become a match.
Another way you can match with somebody is you can enter a queue to go on Microdates. What a Microdate is, you have a minute to ask each other questions. We'll show you one. You can do this from anywhere in the application. So right now I'm searching for a Microdate. When somebody who matches my criteria is also searching for a Microdate, we'll go on a Microdate together. Hey, look at that. We've matched on a Microdate. Here's a private conversation where no one else can hear you. You've been matched based on some similarities, and you're able to kind of ask some ice-breaking questions based off the tablet in front of you or whatever you want to ask. And after a minute, you'll be done and you can go back to socializing normally again. But if you both like each other after the Microdate, you'll end up a match.
With a match, you can invite them to a coffee date, which is a similar experience to a microdate, but for a little bit longer of a period of time.
This is the coffee date area. You might notice some other couples having a coffee date, but don't worry, your conversation is private. This is a bit longer of a conversation than a microdate, where you can kind of spend some more time getting to know people in a more free-flow conversation. If you decide you both like each other, then you're ready to become contacts. Contacts can go on dates, and we can explore further what that looks like.
So here we are in the forest, one of the larger levels in Planet Theta, and also a dating location.
The forest is our first of many to come dating locations where you and contacts, people you've met out in the public areas, can go and have private, long, untimed visits with each other where you can do fun things and, like for example here in the forest, you can interact and explore with the wildlife. So we hope you come visit us at Planet Theta soon.